Hi, I'm Lindsay Herbert, and this Friday's answered question is about me. In addition to being the author of the book Digital Transformation, I'm also an inventor at IBM, and people are really curious about what an inventor actually is. And I get asked questions like, do inventors still solder? Do they still build things? And in my case, yes, I did actually solder and build things as part of my inventing process. But that's not always the case. Sometimes a patent, or sometimes an inventor focuses on the patent process. So you have an idea, you fill in a patent application, you go through all the different review processes, and if your idea is good and you've argued it correctly, then you can get a patent. And that's an important process because sometimes an idea is too complex to build on your own or requires too much resource. And so you want that patent in place first so that anyone who collaborates with you or invests knows that you're actually going to be entitled to take that thing forward, and commercialize it. One of the things I think about being an inventor in today's age is that there are so many different resources that you can rely on, and there are so many different people you can reach out to who have expertise in different areas. And if it weren't for the collaborators, other companies I collaborated with, in addition to people both inside IBM and outside, including my friends, my own personal network, that was really how we were able to get across all of those different hurdles and troubleshoot along the way. So if you're interested in inventing and in making your ideas a reality, don't feel like you have to have access or the expertise or the resource, because you really can build it as you go in terms of that knowledge and that know-how. But generally speaking, yes, do inventors still solder? Do they still write code? Do they do all those things? Yes, they do, when they have to, because those things are hard. Thanks.